are the best free investing software. 1. Mint. The popular and free Mint.com investment and money management web-based software is one of the best in the internet. With quick linking to your accounts, you get a quick overview of your financial picture. Mint tracks all of your financial accounts including credit, banking, investment and retirement. Mint also highlights your fees, so that you know how much of your money isn't being invested for your future. Mint offers these financial tools. A. Income and expense categorization and tracking. B. Budgeting. C. Investment tracking. D. Free credit score. E. Alerts. F. Bill pay. Mint claims to help get the right tools for your investment style. The online portal offers tips and advice for both active and passive investors. The Mint investment and portfolio management tools are good for beginning investors seeking a free basic money management, saving, spending, budgeting, and tracking tool. However, intermediate or sophisticated investors might prefer advanced portfolio tracking and management apps like Personal Capital or Quicken. 2. Webull. This software is available on desktop, Apple iOS and Google Android. It came into the stock trading world in 2018 when it started challenging Robinhood for market share. This stock trading app offers free stock trading as well as free trades on ETFs, options and cryptocurrencies. Further, it charges zero commissions for the trades because Webull makes money on other actions you take, like payment for order flow, margin loans, interest on cash and service fees for their NASDAQ Level 2 Advances subscription. Webull also provides you access to several powerful tools you can use for in-depth trading analysis. These services easily make the service one of the best stock research and analysis apps for conducting technical analysis. If these account features sound attractive, the best part might also come with knowing that setting up a Webull account is free and comes with no account minimums you must meet or maintain. It also runs frequent promotions that give free stocks. 3. Quicken Premier. Quicken has been my go-to financial management software for decades to view and analyze my investment portfolios. Quicken recently launched an annual subscription model to the software to track investments and supplement the desktop application that you install on your computer. The program also has an online app and portal for on-the-go money management. With the software, after syncing your checking, saving, debt and investment accounts, you have a comprehensive financial management portal. The Quicken Premier platform is both basic money management, budgeting, debt tracking and cash management software as well as a comprehensive investment portfolio management program. The stock portfolio management software syncs with actual stock quotes as well as the goldmine of analysis tool. Quicken Premier investment management features include A. Scores of money and investment management reports with deep-level customization options. B. Investment account downloading and tracking including income, dividends, fees and more. C. Reports include capital gains, rate of return, performance versus the market, investment transactions, cost basis, tax reports and more. D. Risk, return analysis. E. Retirement planner tool. F. The Portfolio X-ray tool from Morningstar with a detailed drill down into your overall diversification and portfolio characteristics. G. Option trade tracking. 4. M1 Finance. This software is available on desktop, Apple iOS and Google Android. M1 Finance offers free stock trading but also provides automated investing according to your predetermined investment decisions as a top robo-advisor pick. What I like most about this app is the ability to make recurring deposits that automatically get invested into your portfolio. M1 Finance acts as a singular personal finance app to assist with building wealth through automating your investments into diversified portfolios, having a bank account and linked debit card that provide market-beating interest rates and have access to valuable personal finance literature. Most importantly, investing with M1 Finance can be as simple as depositing money, setting your stock and index fund selections and having the platform automate your investments on your behalf. From there, M1 Finance automatically rebalances your portfolio in line with your stated asset allocation targets. Doing this at regular intervals has been shown to improve overall portfolio performance. It does so by moving outperforming funds into underperforming ones, capturing a value effect over time as returns revert to the mean. 5. Investment Account Manager. Investment Account Manager is a sophisticated investment portfolio management software. The product was designed by professional money managers and has been used by investors globally since 1985. The goal of the software is to help you understand and manage your investment portfolios. The software is suitable for both newbies and seasoned investors. Investment Account Manager is designed for investment management, not budgeting, debt, or other financial management tasks. You can track an unlimited number of portfolios. Each investment portfolio is handled individually and transactions are segregated by account. This helps the investor to create portfolios by objective and track according to distinct parameters. The Reports section allows you to customize reports and even create reports that combine portfolios. For example, Investment Account Manager allows you to combine all portfolios and review your overall asset allocation, stocks, bonds, cash and other, and on a granular level by stock sector and size. The data helps you determine if you're meeting your investment goals. As this software is for investment tracking only, you'll find specific data for many types of assets including cash, money market funds, U.S. government, agencies, and tax-exempt bonds, corporate bonds, preferred stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, common stocks, options, and other investments. Within the asset library, there's detailed security data including security type, security symbol and description, price, high price alert, low price alert, dividends, earnings, projected dividends and earnings, book value, cash flow, beta, bond-specific data. You can also download the data from your broker or input manually. The rebalancing feature makes it easy to see if your portfolio is out of balance and what securities need to be bought or sold to return to your preferred allocation. There's even a sector weight allocation option. Two more of my favorite features are benchmark comparisons and for individual stock owners, fundamental ratio analysis tools. Additionally, Investment Account Manager also offers a professional version of the software for financial advisors. There is so much features in this software that the serious investor and possibly the casual investor as well will benefit from this Investment Account Manager. The investment management software is compatible with Windows operating system, and users can run the software on a Mac with Windows emulating software. You also get a 90-day free trial, which is quite generous. After the trial, the reduced fee is $99 per year with the quote media data feed or $69 without. Or, if you'd prefer not to renew annually, you can continue to use the software indefinitely, without access to program updates, tech support or the quote media data feed.